In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable or turn on a microphone in your Chromebook device. So by default, every Chromebook will come with a dedicated or internal microphone that you can use for basic communication like phone or Zoom meeting. And I think the microphone is also useful when you want to create a presentation and then you want to record the screen and also record the narration of the presentation. So here's how you can make sure that the microphone is turned on Chromebook. Click on this icon, the clock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, on the speaker section right here, click on this right arrow icon, audio settings. And then here you can see that the input device, which is the microphone, is on. And this will allow me to just use the microphone. And by the way, there is a slider here, just almost like a progress bar. And this is actually going to dictate the sensitivity of the microphone. Well, there is no exact number, but generally speaking, it's better to not put it to the full level. You might want to just set it to be around 80%, and in some model, even 40% is good enough. So I actually cannot tell which setting is the best. So you have to try it on your own and see which setting or which the micro settings actually going to be the best for your use case. So I'm going to set it to be maybe around 70 or 8%, 80%. And after that, I'm going to test this microphone. And I'm going to use this website that allows me to test the microphone without installing any app. I'm going to click Start Test. And it's going to ask me to allow the access to microphone for this website. So I'm going to allow this time. All right, there is this notification. That's okay. And I'm not recording yet, but you can see there is an audio. There's an audio visualization that basically it captures my audio, my voice, and I can actually start recording. So let's start recording. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is the result, and let's play it back. Oops, sorry about that. All right, I think that's good enough. The speaker wasn't loud, but I hope you can hear that. And basically, the microphone on my Chromebook device is working, and that's because I have made sure that the audio setting for the microphone is enabled, and the sensitivity level is on the appropriate level. So anyway, that's how you can enable the microphone on your Chromebook, and I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.